The rule of law applies to all, including members of religious groups or cults, the clergy, and even lawmakers probing the flood control scam. Hence, the president is bewildered by today's unannounced rally by the Iglesia Ni Cristo sect at the EDSA People Power Monument in Quezon City, whining about selective justice over the ombudsman's remarks of an impending arrest on Senator Marcoleta for indirect bribery and technical plunder charges. As our Sharms Espina delved more on the president's insistence to maintain maximum tolerance on INC protesters as the rally is poised to extend even longer.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is puzzled by the surprise rally held along EDSA by a religious group affiliated with Senator Rodante Marcoleta, according to Malacanang. The rally stemmed from the reported impending filing of a plunder case by the ombudsman against Marcoleta over the 75 million peso donation he allegedly received during his senatorial campaign. The palace maintained that holding a protest is not the answer to the issue.
Ang pagrarally po ay hindi po sagot para mawala at maabsuelto agad ang isang tao sa isang kaso. Ang pag-absuelto ng isang tao ay sa korte. Hindi po ito madadaan sa rally.
However, Malacanang emphasized that President Marcos respects the rally as freedom of expression and freedom of assembly, stressing that the president shares their advocacy for transparency and accountability. However, the palace said it is a different matter when the rally involves abuse or violence.
Maaari nating masabi kung may pang-aabuso kung nakakaapekto na sila ng ibang tao. Karapatan din naman lahat natin na galangin din ang karapatan ng bawat isa.
The palace also said it did not see the protests as a threat to the president. Castro, however, pointed out that many ordinary individuals were affected by the surprise rally, which allegedly had no permit. Despite this, the president directed authorities to exercise maximum tolerance when responding to the situation. She added that those found to have committed abuses during the rally would be subject to investigation.
Kung may lumalabag sa batas ay dapat din ipatupad ang batas. Sino ba yung maaaring nanggulo? Sino yung nag-cause ng trapiko at hindi makadaan yung ibang mga sasakyan? So, aalamin na lang po natin.
The palace also posed a question to those staging the rally.
Ang Pangulo po ay naniniwala sa paninindigan ng INC. Ipatupad ang batas, transparency, accountability, managot ang dapat managot. At yan po yung ginagawa ng administrasyon. Kung dapat managot ang isang Senator Marcoleta na nagkataon na miyembro ng INC, hindi po ba dapat na i-push din natin yon dahil lahat naman tayo dito ay dapat na naniniwala sa papapanagot ng mga di umanong gumawa ng krimen or paglabag sa batas.
This is Sharms Espina for The Nation.